Space looks peaceful from afar, but if you actually tried living, or worse, dying on any other planet, it would be a very, very short trip. So grab your imaginary spacesuit and let's see what your final moments would feel like on each world in our solar system. And hey, if you make it through all 7, you officially deserve a NASA badge, or at least a like on this video. Mercury, the two-faced furnace Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. You'd think it's just blazing hot, right? Well, only half of it is. The side facing the Sun can reach 430 degrees Celsius, but the dark side freezes down to minus 180. If you stood near the border between day and night, you'd literally be roasted on one side and frozen on the other, like a cosmic kebab. There's almost no atmosphere, so you'd suffocate in seconds. But hey, at least you'd die with a view of the sun so big it'd make every sunrise on Earth look like a candle flame. Venus, the hell planet. Venus looks beautiful from space. Golden clouds, a soft glow, but that's all a lie. It's basically Earth's evil twin. The atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide, clouds of sulfuric acid, and the surface pressure could crush you like a tin can. Temperature? Around 475 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. You wouldn't even touch the ground before your faceplate fogs, your suit weakens, and you start cooking from the outside in. And if you think that's bad, imagine your last breath being thicker than smoke and tasting like rotten eggs. Mars. The cold, dry whisper. Mars gets all the hype for being the most habitable. But let's be real, it's still trying to kill you. The air is mostly CO2, the pressure's less than 1% of Earth's, and the temperature drops to minus 60 on average. Step outside without a suit, and your blood would boil, then freeze. But you'd have a few seconds to look around. Red rocks, dusty horizons, and maybe think, wow, this could have been home. Then immediately regret that thought. Jupiter, the giant of nothingness. You can't even stand on Jupiter, it's a gas giant. No surface, just clouds. So if you fell in, you'd just keep falling. For hours. At first, you'd drift through stunning layers like orange, white, brown, swirling like a dream. Then the pressure and heat rise, crushing, vaporizing everything. Dying on Jupiter lies like diving into an endless ocean of poison gas and gravity. Still, you'd go out surrounded by beauty. Kind of poetic, if poetry involved being squished into atoms. Saturn, the elegant executioner. Those rings gorgeous from afar. But as you fall, the temperature plummets to minus 170 and the winds scream past at 1,800 kilometers per hour. You'd drift through yellow haze, your body pulled apart before you even reach the core. Still, imagine dying under that golden glow. There are worse ways to go. Okay, maybe not many. But still, Uranus, the sideways ice giant. Uranus is just odd. It rolls on its side like it's tired of trying. Looks calm, pale blue, peaceful. But under the clouds, it's minus 220. You'd freeze long before the pressure finishes the job. Your last sight would be a dim turquoise sky, fading into black, and then you'd just keep falling forever, like the universe's saddest ice cube. Neptune, the wind demon. If you thought Uranus was bad, Neptune said, "Hold my storm." Its winds reach 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than bullets. You'd be shredded apart before even touching the upper clouds. Temperature, minus 220 again. Add crushing pressure, and methane storms that glow blue with lightning. It's haunting, breathtaking, and absolutely lethal. Neptune's beauty hides a violence no human could ever survive. It's the universe's way of saying, look, admire, but never touch. So, after all that, maybe Earth isn't that bad, huh? Sure, we've got rent, traffic, and Wi-Fi that dies when you need it most. But at least, the sky doesn't melt your face. If you enjoyed this little cosmic death tour, stick around. We've got more strange, beautiful, and slightly terrifying corners of the universe to explore. And hey, don't drift away just yet. Hit that subscribe button before gravity hits you first.